lost wallet?
If I found a lost wallet, a lot of people would say they'd steal it, but I wouldn't because humanity is what keeps us alive. So I would take the wallet and try to give it to its rightful owner, or if I can't do that, I will give the wallet to a responsible adult.
Next candidate is Sumaya Akhtar Johi. Please come and have your position.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also fine, thank you. So let's get started, okay? So the first question for you is, what is one good habit you have?
One good habit I have is I never let any work get done incompletely. I always try to finish it and even do it a little, but I never gap it out. It's consistency that helps us achieve something. If we do work, if we can't do it fully, we should do it a little, at least a day. And I try to do that. Thank you.
Okay, so we have learned about your good habits. So I would like to know about your bad habit you want to change. What is your bad habit you want to change?
A bad habit I want to change is I sometimes waste my time by doing unnecessary stuff that I should be using to do things I love, like music. And I want to change that habit.
Okay, so the next question is, if you had one superpower, what would it be?
That's a really good question. If I had a superpower, it would be healing people because I know a lot of people that die that have a lot of potential but don't have the strength to show it. And I want to heal them so they can go up to their full potential.
Okay, so the fourth question for you is, what would you do if you had found a lost wallet?
If I found a lost wallet, a lot of people would say they'd steal it, but I wouldn't because humanity is what keeps us alive. So I would take the wallet and try to give it to its rightful owner, or if I can't do that, I will give the wallet to a responsible adult.
If the owner of the wallet is Shah Rukh Khan, what will you do?
If the owner of the wallet is Shah Rukh Khan, which is very unlikely, I would try to meet up with him to give his wallet back.
If you get a lot of money in the wallet, about $1 million or $1,000, then what's the position?
If it belongs to Shah Rukh Khan, I will not give it back until I meet with him.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Okay, so what is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream, I have a lot of dreams, but currently I want to be a musician. I love music and I want to share my music to the people and maybe get something from them, get a feeling. That's what I want.
So for our last special question, which feature of our school Sahajpat you like the most?
Honestly, everything about Sahajpat is very likable. That's why I'm still in this school. So one thing I like a lot is the friendliness of our teachers. Because honestly, if the teachers are not friendly enough, we can be scared and not ask them questions. We have so many friendly teachers, so we're never afraid to ask any questions, and it really helps us be ourselves in this community. And being ourselves is very important.
So for our description session, I would like to know how you come to school.
My home from school is very close. I can literally see it from here. So I walk with my 2 tiny legs and come to school.
Okay, so you come to school by foot. So what do you think about our transportation system in our country?
There are honestly many transportation systems in our country. Recently, a metro has been made in our country, which has made our life very much easier. In the heat of Bangladesh, we know the humidity is very high. So the ACs in the metros really help us. And it's good that they don't take any extra fees. Like when we go in the bus, it's 20 taka and metro is also 20 taka. So it doesn't divide poverty with rich people. And that's really helpful.
Okay. It is time convenient, but metro, we can't get metro in anywhere from that. We have to go stations. Do you have anything to say about it?
Yeah, that's where I come in because I live in Shonirakra and the closest metro station is Motijhil. So I always have to take bus from here to Motijhil, then get on the metro. So I would really love it if the metro stations were made from every district.
Okay. So thank you so much. That was a
you,
nice
ma'am.
answer from you.